So this is pound yen analysis for Thursday, 26th of July. Now let's just have a look where prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had price come down towards this 145.50, had a bullish bounce to test the 146.38, held as resistance, broke back below the 146 in towards the 146. I think that's the 80s or so. What we did see from this subsequent breakdown is a retest of this 146.38, which again traded through the 146.38, tested the 146.50. So we did trade slightly through the 146.38. But from there, we've encountered resistance. And again, we've had a couple of tests of that 146.38. And we've seen a subsequent breakdown for a test of the 146. Now at 146, we've kind of held support at present. We'll see how we develop from where we are. But if we continue to hold support at this 146, further building the case for building a bit of a base here on the pound against the yen, our inability to break down and hold beyond the 146, possibly suggesting it will continue to hold a support, in which case we might see a counter trend move, counter to this prior move to the downside, see a counter trend move to the upside here on the pound against the yen. So if we do see this 146 continue to hold, we're looking for a move towards that 146.38, successful break and hold from which we're then looking for price up towards that 147 with the added confluence of 200 and 400 period moving average confluences. But if we do break from there also, we're looking for a move towards that 147.35. And if volatility allows in the coming days, possibly even that 148 here on the pound against the yen. If, however, we do break out of this consolidation here and we do break down to the down, if we do break down from this consolidation, from this 146, we're looking for a retest of 145.50, successful break from which we're looking for 145.11, 144.78, and if there is sufficient volatility in the coming days, possibly even a move down towards that 144.36 here on the pound against the yen. What we'll do now is we'll have a look here at daily chart to see how prices are developing, get scaling here correct, and as you can see here, we've had a pretty sharp sell-off from the 149.10. We've come down towards this 146. We've gone to a bit of a consolidation, a bit of a pullback here from this 146. So we'll see whether it can continue to hold, as mentioned previously. From a daily chart perspective, the very next key level to the upside is in around that 148. So it's pretty much this area. We've tested on a couple of occasions before seeing a breakdown. That's a key level to the upside, and to the downside, I suppose it would possibly be our previous, well, I'd probably say our most recent low here in around that 145.50. Actually, that's the closest level of significance. Beyond that, of course, we are looking to see how prices react around that 144.36 and 144.78. So 144.78, then that 144.36 are key levels that we'll be looking at to the downside. We've mentioned 148 to the upside. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.